Okay, in today's tech video, we are going to review this portable speaker here. This is the Ion Sport XL, and it looks like this, and this is just a box here. And just to give you a quick look at some of the features that it does have, it has the Ion Sound X app or XP app. It does take Bluetooth, so you hook your phone up to it. 120 watts, rechargeable 75-hour battery. It's water resistant, has AM, FM, it has the wireless stereo link, it's got a bass boost, easy to pair with the NFC enabled. It's got one USB charging port, a auxiliary input, a built-in handle on wheels, and a 1/4-inch microphone input. So this is what it looks like once you get it out of the box here. And once you do get it out of the box, these are the three things that it does have. This is your number one question probably. Does it come with a microphone? And yes, it does. Your literature here, power cable here. All right, so just to give you a little detailed look at the front of this thing, it's a nice looking speaker. Red and black on the sides here. But on this front side, this is where you plug in the mic. It's got two different ports there for probably two different microphones, I'm assuming. And then on this side, a USB, looks like a USB 3.0 charging port, and then another 1A USB. And on the cover here, go ahead and peel this guy off. Okay, pull that off and then put it back on here. Boy, it don't go on there that easy. There we go. Okay, one thing I don't like about it is there's like no stopping point when you turn this up or down. But that might be just a preference thing. It does have 1, 2, 3, 4 presets on here. Here's your on button, your Bluetooth, your link, your radio. The bass boost has probably turns your stations play. All right, and then on the back side is the AC power input here, and that's where you plug it in to charge or to get power. All right, this thing does have wheels on it, and then almost like your luggage, it does have a handle here. You pull up on it, so that way it can become portable. Okay, once you hook up the microphone here onto the port, this is a little sound test. You just flip this switch on. Testing 1, 2, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. That's on full blast. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I got this thing turned up all the way to volume 30, and this is about as loud as it gets on it, and I'm just talking in a normal voice. And let me go ahead and turn it down halfway. This is on volume 15 here. To be honest, I can't tell a whole lot of difference between 15 and 30. Now this is running off of the battery. It's not plugged into the wall. I did plug it into the wall, and it doesn't make any difference in sound. So this gives you a little bit of an idea of what to expect with this portable speaker. I guess it would work if you were in a little bit smaller room setting, but I'm going to be using this thing in a gymnasium, and I don't know that it's quite loud enough for a gymnasium. So not sure if I'm going to keep this thing, but hopefully this gives you guys a general idea of what to expect if you were to buy this speaker. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll try to answer them. If you like this video, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.